Quantum entanglement is a strange and mysterious phenomenon that occurs when two particles, such as atoms or photons, become linked together in a way that defies our usual understanding of the world. When two particles are entangled, they are connected in a way that allows them to influence each other, even if they are separated by vast distances. Imagine two toy cars, each with a different color. When they are close to each other, they can interact and affect each other's movements. But if one car is placed on one side of the room, and the other car is placed on the opposite side of the room, they can still somehow affect each other, even though they are far apart. This is what happens with entangled particles. But how can particles that are separated by great distances still be connected? To understand this, we need to look at the strange world of quantum mechanics. In the world of quantum mechanics, particles do not behave like the objects we are familiar with in everyday life. Instead of always having a definite position and momentum, quantum particles can exist in many different states at once. They can even be teleported from one place to another without physically moving. This strange behavior is known as quantum superposition, and it allows particles to be entangled with each other in ways that are impossible in the everyday world. When two particles are entangled, they exist in a state of superposition where they can simultaneously exist in multiple locations and states. This allows them to influence each other, even when they are separated by great distances. But how do we know that entangled particles really do exist? Scientists have performed experiments that show that entangled particles can influence each other in ways that cannot be explained by classical physics. Two entangled photons can be sent in opposite directions, and when one photon is measured, the other photon will instantly change its state that cannot be explained by classical physics. This phenomenon, known as quantum non-locality, has been confirmed by many experiments, and it is one of the key ways that we know that quantum entanglement is real. But what does quantum entanglement mean for our understanding of the world? For one thing, it challenges our notion of causality, which is the idea that one event must always be the cause of another event. In the world of quantum mechanics, entangled particles can influence each other without any apparent cause, which seems to violate the principles of causality. Furthermore, quantum entanglement suggests that there may be ways of communicating and transferring information that are faster than the speed of light. This is known as quantum teleportation, and it could potentially allow information to be sent instantaneously, without any delay. But despite these incredible possibilities, quantum entanglement remains a mysterious and poorly understood phenomenon. Scientists are still working to understand how it works and what its implications are for our understanding of the world. Quantum entanglement is a strange and fascinating phenomenon that occurs when two particles become linked together in a way that defies our usual understanding of the world. Even when they are separated by vast distances, quantum entanglement challenges our notion of causality and opens up the possibility of faster-than-light communication. While much remains unknown about this phenomenon, its potential implications are truly incredible.